In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Spider-Man and also show you how you can color this drawing at the end of the video. So come with me because today's content is awesome. Hey there artist, I'm Ledy. In this video, we're going to draw Spider-Man. You just need to copy the lines to build the drawing. Don't forget to leave your like because it really helps the channel. Let's start by drawing the eyes. And we can draw the chin. Now comes the face. In sequence, the head. Now let's draw the neck. Next, the lines of the uniform. Let's draw the webs. Now come the lines of the mask. And the drawing of the webs. Let's color the eyes. The mask. And don't forget, you can request a drawing right here in the comments. Your likes and subscriptions go a long way in helping the channel grow, and they inspire me to keep creating even more videos for you. Thank you so much for your amazing support. That's it for now. Catch you in the next video.